How to turn on Wi-Fi calling on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Wi-Fi and network, or simply go to search button and search SIM. You'll find SIM and network settings. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Wi-Fi calling option. This option is not available from my device. It can be available from your device in SIM and network settings. On bottom, simply you need to turn it on and you will have Wi-Fi calling option. And this is how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.